क्या सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में कई मेडिकल इन्वेस्टिगेशंस डिले किए गए थे? क्या 12 घंटों तक उनके मॉर्टल रिमेन्स पर कोई जांच नहीं हुई? Has this delay meant a loss of valuable evidence that could have helped in finding the truth behind the actor's tragic demise?
There seems to be new controversies and updates every day in Sushant Singh Rajput's demise case. And while the CBI is conducting a thorough investigation on the ground, the electronic media seems to be conducting a parallel investigation with hidden cameras and sting operations, fueling controversies and even alleging that the Mumbai police botched up their investigation into the case. Now, whether the CBI will consider the investigation being done by the electronic media is only yet to be seen. But for now, here's the story.
The CBI team has landed in Mumbai and is investigating multiple aspects of the case simultaneously. However, even before the investigating agency took over the case, there have been multiple accusations by news channels of the actor's autopsy being inadvertently or deliberately botched up. The autopsy and forensic reports have revealed no suspicious results or presence of any substance that could point to foul play. There were reports that the CBI may get help of experts from AIIMS to re-examine the reports of the actor's mortal remains. In fact, it was Dr. Sudhir Gupta, AIIMS forensic chief, who had earlier claimed that there was no timestamp on the autopsy report of Sushant, causing suspicion to rise again in this matter. Times Now reporter conducted a spy cam operation and spoke to a forensic expert from Maharashtra who has claimed that any traces of toxic substances will only last for 6 hours in the mortal remains of any individual, and the examination of Sushant's mortal remains was conducted over 10 hours after his demise. The news channel has now questioned why there was a delay and whether standard operating procedures were followed or deliberately ignored in this case to conceal any incriminating facts. The CBI is the best judge of whether this delay was deliberate or accidental and whether all evidence was recorded correctly. There are reports that the CBI will also conduct a psychological autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. This will reportedly be carried out at the Central Forensic Science Laboratory and will study every aspect of Sushant's life, from posts on social media to his interaction with friends and family through chats and conversations. The CBI will also reportedly look into allegations of the actor having mood swings and examine his behavioral patterns and personal habits and preferences as they try to reconstruct his state of mind in the days leading up to his demise. We only hope that after such a long delay, the CBI team looking into the case will be able to provide some answers to Sushant's fans and his family who are yet to understand just why and how they lost such a young and talented individual in such tragic circumstances.